Well, this repair I thought was gonna be nice and simple just turned annoying. I went to get this pin out, the original one that was on there. Went to tap that out because I couldn't find any vice grips. I tapped the pin once, just once, not even hard, and yeah, woo! That decided that it's gonna depart its home. So I guess I gotta figure out, I'm assuming that's aluminum. I don't have any way of welding aluminum at my disposal. So I guess I gotta find a new one, or, I don't know, JB weld it. It's not like it's under a lot of mechanical pressure. Might be a possibility. Well, at least I got the heater tubes and the gas pedal ready to go. One way or another. Because I got the pin out. Guess that's a good side, right? What else? Oh. Okay. So, that's my floor pan situation. That's... Oh. Gnarly. That's actually the first time I've gotten a light in here. Alright, well. What is that, steel or aluminum? Feels like steel. Might have some scrap metal patch some other little holes that are around the car. Alright, well, I got work coming up soon, so that's it for the bug today.